This video we're going to need to show like the DVS tool when we have like different groups, and how can we have like different groups when we click in, and then we can have like different UI. Right, this is the I just changed it as the page 1. But if we just back to the home page, if we goes to the group 2, then we can see we have like a different UI as the first group. Okay, so this one is like mainly to show how can we change this one. But before we change like the different group with different UI, we need to check out like each group will have like different IDs, and we can check out from here. Right. So we have like the group 1 with the ID 1, 2, 3, and different IDs here. So what we need to do is we need to check on the edit tool, and this is another software which we can edit the UI. So we can just double click to run this UI. After we run this UI, we can just click enter into the system. Okay, I'm just dragging back to the main page here. So on this UI, and what we do, we can just like open folder, open the project directly. So when you open the project, basically this is the path itself. So from the DVS tool software and resources, data, project, configure, EN means like the English. So we can just double click this main project. Then after we have this one enter in, then we can see here we have like different pages. You can just double click on page 1. Then we'll just bring up the UI. So we can do the designs accordingly. After we done the design, we can just move the mouse to the blank area, double click. Then we can see here shows like the place ID. So it's the page 1, which is for the group 1. I just put as the ID as 1. And if we move to the page 2, and also the same thing, we can just change the design here, and then we can just double click here, put it as the place 2. We can just have this audio icon delay, and then let's see, we also can delay something like the audio delayed. So except that we have the page 1, then we delete some like the icons, which is different from the page 1. And it's the place ID, we're using the place ID 1, and the page 2, we're using the place IDs number 2, and the same thing for the pages 3, right? So we have some like different designs, but the ID here we just put as the ID 3, and it's the page 4, and I delete lots of icons, and then double click on the blank area, then choose place ID 4. After we've done the design, what we need to do is just need to click the save button here. So click save button, and we can just close this window now. Close software, and now what we need to do, we need to restart this DVS tool software. Okay, so we just close, yes, close. And now we just reopen the DVS tool, but remember we need to open the same folder which we just added the project. So double click to run the DVS tool software, and then click to login, and here we choose English, login. After login, see here we have the group, click group 1. So we have this UI, right, with the audio icon, things like that. Then we click the group 2. So here we see we removed the audio things, and here shows the page 2. And then the page 3, group 3. So here shows like page 3, and also different design, and we have the page 4 as well. So just boot group 4, so page 4, and with a different UI. So this is the how we can use the edit tool to edit the UI things like that. But this is the one way we do it. Another way we need to use the upload, but this one is like more direct and easy way to do it. Okay, thank you.